Hello and welcome to English Made Simple. My name is Paul. Thank you for listening today. Today we will talk about motivation to learn English. Motivation means the reason you keep going. Please listen and repeat when you can. Let's begin. Part 1. You can learn English. You can learn English. Yes, you can. Some days are easy, some days are hard, but you can still learn. Listen and repeat. I can learn English. I try every day. I do not give up. Good job. Part 2. Everyone starts small. No one starts perfect. Everyone starts small. First you learn words. Then you learn sentences. Then you learn more. Listen and repeat. I start small. I learn step by step. I am getting better. Very good. Part 3. Little time is okay. You do not need much time. 10 minutes is good. 20 minutes is great. Small time every day is better than long time one day. Listen and repeat. I practice a little every day. Every minute helps me. I keep going. Nice work. Part 4. Be kind to yourself. Sometimes you make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes help you learn. Do not feel bad. Listen and repeat. Mistakes are okay. I am learning. I am proud of myself. Good. Part 5. Use English. Every day you can use English in many ways. You can listen, you can read, you can speak. Listen and repeat. I listen to English. I read simple words. I speak when I can. Very good. Part 6. Slow is still good. Slow learning is still learning. Do not rush. You will improve with time. Listen and repeat. Slow is okay. I am moving forward. I trust myself. Great job. Part 7. Your reason is important. You have a reason to learn English, maybe for work, maybe for school, maybe for travel, maybe for your family. Your reason is important. Listen and repeat. My reason is important. English helps my future. I am working for my dream. Very nice. Part 8. English is everywhere. English is on your phone. English is on the internet. English is in music and movies. You can learn anywhere. Listen and repeat. I learn anywhere. I learn every day. English is part of my life. Good job. Part 9. You are not alone. Many people are learning English. You are not alone. We all try. We all learn. Listen and repeat. I am not alone. We are learning together. We support each other. Very good. Part 10. Keep going. Some days you feel tired. Some days you want to stop, but try again tomorrow. That is strength. Listen and repeat. I keep going. I try again tomorrow. I am strong. Excellent. Part 11. Learn in simple ways. You do not need big books. You can learn with simple things. Short podcasts help. Listen and repeat. Simple learning is good. I like short lessons. I learn little by little. Nice. Great job. Now let us slow down and breathe. Take a slow breath in and breathe out. You did something good today. You listened. You tried. That is enough for today. Please come back tomorrow. Practice again. Little by little, you will improve. Thank you for listening to English Made Simple. My name is Paul. Take care of yourself. Keep learning. I believe in you. See you next time. Goodbye.